guys, so today is day 2 of our China tour adventure and we are having a very exciting day. So we are going into Beijing and we're going to finally see the city, which again is very exciting. But the plan, as I kind of mentioned yesterday, we are going to the Panda House in Beijing Zoo as the first activity of the day, and then we are heading to see the Forbidden City and Tiananmen Square, and then we have an optional activity that we're very excited about. And I think it's going to be a great day. Like, we're finally just going to be like immersed in the culture. We get to see animals and just some like very iconic landmarks. So it's going to be a great day and I cannot wait to get started. So we just got off the bus and we're at the zoo and we've got little earpieces so that we can hear him so he's not yelling constantly, but mine's actually broken because it doesn't have a clip, so I gotta hold it constantly. But we're gonna go see the pandas very, very soon. Oh, it's right there. Oh my gosh, look at the panda. So you've seen a panda. What do you think?
Well, they're a little bit lazy, but they're cute.
Yeah, they are. We're going
to see their faces soon.
Yeah, we're going to the other section that has a couple more pandas, but like, I love it. Oh yeah,
wow,
look at our big bread roll.
Cashews, pistachio, chocolate. It's delicious.
Like, you just grab like a massive loaf of bread.
Yep.
And how much is that? Like $5? $6?
$6, yeah.
$6.
It's amazing.
For this whole thing. That's so cool. Yeah, we just tried that bread. It was really, really nice. But now we're back on the coach and we are going to Tiananmen Square. And we've been told that we're going from point A to point B. We're walking through Tiananmen Square, then the Forbidden City, and it's going to be about a 4-kilometer walk. But at least we get picked up on the other side and don't have to do that on the return. We saw the pandas and it was really, really cool. But obviously we had to go through it quite quickly. So I did try to film, but a lot of the pandas were just like sleeping. But we still saw 4 pandas. It was so cool. Now we've got probably about 20 more minutes drive until we get there and to get started this walk. So we've been waiting in line for Tiananmen Square for a little bit at the moment. So the line is quite long, but apparently it's a lot worse in the morning when there's more tour groups. But you can see all the flags, so many flags. But we have to go through a security check and get our passport scanned, and they're gonna like kind of check everything we have. But we took out everything from our bags that we can't bring in with us. But it is almost time to see the square. Cool. It's a very big area though. I don't think we're in the full square that's like the place that you would necessarily recognize, but like there's a lot of space to walk this way. We just found out that only the Emperor was allowed to walk on this section, but now we are. We feel very special. It is so cool in here, so much history to see, but also we're walking the path the Emperor walked, which is very cool. Okay, so we're, oh my god, I just heard our tour guide sneeze. It just scared me. But yes, we're in the Forbidden City. It is such a large area and just so cool. And you know, it got a bit warmer, but it's starting to cool down a bit, and I think it's because we've obviously had the height of the temperature. But there's also all these like little bridges to walk across, and I think you can go all the way in, so you can keep going, because it's pretty much been like gate after gate after gate that we've just been walking continuously through. And I definitely feel like, yeah, we're going to be walking the 4 kilometers, and also just use the bathroom, right? And I have avoided needing to use the squat toilet, and I feel like that is information people didn't need, because there is generally only one normal toilet in all of them, and I feel like I'm gonna get pee on myself. And I know some people are confident with it, but I'm not, so I've just been trying to make my way through not having to, and so far I've been successful. But generally you're probably gonna have to use one eventually, and I'm just really hoping I won't have to. Okay, we're officially out of the Forbidden City and we're back on the coach, and now we're going for our optional activity, which is our last thing of the day. And it's going to be very exciting because we get to go on a Pedi Cab, we get to have a traditional dinner, and it's probably the experience I've been looking forward to all day. We're going to get into the Pedi Cab soon, it's going to be so cool. Okay, we're on. It's a bit rocky, but at least it's not fast.
We come from?
We come from Australia.
Oh, tadi ya?
Yeah.
Yeah, Sydney.
Sini.
City, yeah.
Tadi ya, tadi.
Oh, yeah.
Go.
And we're going along the river too, so we can see that to this side, we can see houses on this side, and it's just really comfortable. Hi! And we're in a long line and we're all together, which is really fun.
Okay.
Thank you! Oh, sorry. Oh, that was so good. I really liked that. It was small and sweet, but still a good experience. So part of our experience is having dinner in a family's home, so they've got it all set up for us, so it's really cool. We just got out of the dinner and it was so nice. Like the food was made beautifully and it was such a nice experience, and the lady that hosted us, Lynn, told us about her family life and how much she enjoys doing this job. It was so cool. Okay, so we have done a bit of shopping. We have a bit of stuff. I got a magnet and one of those drums that go for the I'll show you later when we get back to the hotel. But we are all done with our optional activity and now we're back on the coach, and it's about an hour and a half drive back to the hotel. But that was really fun. I'm really glad we did that optional activity. Like, the food was great, the experience was great, and we just got so much. And that activity was like $70. So we're definitely going to be doing most of the optional activities because they just all seem really, really worth it. Okay, we have a weird angle going, but I just want to show you my stuff. So I got a little drum. See? Okay. Like, it is just a little past 8 o'clock, which is technically 11 p.m. for what we're used to, but I still really like the drum. And I had to get a panda. Oh, well, you can't see it. but it's really soft and it's so cute. And this cost me $10. That is such a good price for being at a gift shop. But spending has officially started. This was a great first day and we got to see so much, and like really we left the hotel at 8 o'clock this morning and it's like past 8 o'clock now, so it was like a really long day, but that was really good. And like our tour guide has said that this is the longest and most strenuous day of walking, so it was kind of good to get it out of the way. But I mean, they don't know how much walking we're going to do in Disneyland because there's probably going to be a lot, but I do hope you enjoyed the first day of our tour. We'll be back tomorrow for a lot more, because you know where we're going tomorrow? Great Wall of China. That is going to be so exciting, and it's just one of those places that just doesn't feel real, and one of those, like, you know, in the distance, like it's not going to happen, but we are going tomorrow and it's going to be so exciting. But anyway, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.